Good day, grade 2s. Welcome to our English lesson. My name is Chelumbiche Mafisa. This lesson is brought to you by Gauteng Department of Education in collaboration with Sci-Bono and broadcasted by Pagama Research and Development. All right, today you'll be learning about, just look at your topic. We'll be doing the short vowel sounds, and what else you'll be doing in this lesson? You'll be doing words, okay? You'll be identifying words with the short vowel sounds. All right, that's what you will be learning about today. Let's look at our lesson objectives. All right, at this end of this lesson, you should be able to pronounce short vowel sounds. Pronounce short vowel sounds. Identify words with the short vowels. All right, and read words with the short vowel sounds. And what else? You'll be writing words, write words with the short vowel sounds. That's what you will be doing today. But before we can go to our lesson, I want us to read. Okay, let's check what you did in your grade 1. If you can still remember what you did when you were in grade 1. You can still remember you did your short vowel sounds, and what else? Okay, and then you did short vowel sounds and short vowel words, and right, that's what you did in your grade 1 lesson. Right, now I want us to read the sight words. I want you to read the following sight words by looking at the following pictures. Right, I want you to read the following word. We have, what is this word? And. I want you to read along with me. And. The next word is N. N. Okay, your next word. As. As. We have the next word. I want you to read with me. It. It. And then we have our last word. The last word is at. At. These words are called sight words. They are called sight words, learners. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. We will be going to our short song. Okay. I want you to sing a short song with me. I want you to sing along a short song. Remember, we are starting with the short vowel ah. With the short vowel ah. So I want you to sing the song along with me. Are you ready? Right, let's sing.
Short vowel ah. Ah, ah, ah. This is how we say the letter ah, ah, ah. This is how we say it ah, ah, ah. This is how we say the letter ah, ah, ah. Short vowel ah. Cat, cat, cat. But ah, yeah. Bag, bag. Ah, fan, fan.
All right, well done. I hope you sang the song. You enjoyed this song. All right, did you enjoy this song? Yes, you did. Okay, now I want us to identify words with the short vowel ah. Let's identify words with the short vowel ah. Look at your picture. We have the first picture. What is this? What do you think, grade 2s? What is this picture? This is a bat. Yes, this is a bat. It is a bat. Well done. Let's look at your next picture. What is this picture, learners? What is this picture? Look at your picture. This is a cat. Yes, it is a cat. And then look at your next picture. What do you think? What is this picture? This is a hat. Yes, it is a hat. These words have got the short vowel ah. All right. Well done, grade 2s. Okay, let's move on to the next song. We're moving on to the next vowel A. So I want you to sing along with me. All right, let's go.
Short vowel A. Everybody, everywhere. Sing it with me. Short vowel A. Everybody, everywhere. Short vowel A. D. Bed, bed. Egg, peg, peg. Hen, hen. Ten, ten.
All right, I hope you enjoyed the song. I hope you enjoyed the song. Did you enjoy the song, grade 2s? Yes, you did. Right, well done. Now let's identify words with the short A. Look at your picture. We have the first picture. What is this? Yes, it is a bed. Yes, the one that you lie on. Yes, it is a bed. Look at your next picture. What is this picture, Lenas? What is this picture? Yes, this is number 10. And then we have the next picture. What you think? What is this picture, Lenas? What is this picture, grade 2s? Yes, it is a pet. Yes, it is a pet. Well done. All right. Now I want us to listen to the next song. All right. We're moving on to the short vowel E. So you are going to sing the song along with me. I want you to sing the song along with me. Are you ready, grade 2s? Right. Let's listen to the song. Let's sing the song together.
Short vowel E. I can say, I can say, I can say, I can say. Short vowel E. Pig, pig, pig. Bib, bib. Pin, pin. Zip, zip.
Right, that's how we sing our song, all right, with the short vowel E. I hope you enjoyed this song. Did you enjoy the song, grade 2s? Yes, you did. Well done. Now let's identify our words with the short vowel E. Right, let's identify our words. We have the first picture. Look at your picture carefully. What is this? This is a pig. Yes, it is a pig. Look at your next picture now. I want you to look at your next picture. What is this picture? It's what? What you think? Yes, this is a bin. Yes, it is a bin. And then we have another picture. Look at your picture. What is this? What do you think? What is this picture? Yes, it is a pin. Yes, it is a pin. Well done, grade 2s. Well done. All right, let's move on to the next song. All right, now we are moving on to the next short vowel O. I want you to listen to the song and I want you to sing along the song with me. Are you ready, grade 2s? Let's start. Sing the song with me.
Short vowel O. Sing with me, all together. Oh, oh, oh. Sing with me, short vowel O, O, O. Yeah, oh, yeah. Dog, dog. Top, top, top. Box, box, pop.
Well done. Did you enjoy the song? Did you enjoy the song, grade 2s? Yes, you did. Well done to you. Well done. Now I want us to identify words with the short O, with the short vowel O by looking at the following pictures. Let's look at our first picture. What is this, learners? Look at your picture. What is this? Yes, this is a frog. Yes, it is a frog. Well done. Look at your next picture. Look at your next picture, grade 2s. What is this picture? What is this picture? Yes, it is a pot. This is a pot. And then we have the next picture. What is this, grade 2s? What is this picture? This is a box. Yes, it is a box. Well done, grade 2s. Well done, learners. Right, now I want us to listen to the next song. Now we're moving on to the short vowel A. Short vowel A. I want you to listen to the next song and I want you to sing along the next song with me. Are you ready? All right.
Short vowel. I like to say this letter every day. I like to say short vowel. Bug, bug. Nut, nut. Sun, sun. Hut, hut.
Right, I hope you enjoyed this song. Did you enjoy the song, grade 2s? Well done, yes you did. Now let's identify words with the short vowel A. All right, look at your picture. What is this picture? Look at your picture. What do you think? What do you think, learners? This is a cup. Yes, it is a picture of a cup. We have the next picture. What is this picture, learners? This is picture of a sun. Yes, we have the sun. All right. We have the picture of the sun. All right. And then we have the next picture. Look at your picture carefully. This is a picture of a bus. Yes, it is a bus. Well done. All right. Let's move on. Right now we'll be reading a short story. Right. Let's read a short story. All right. The cat. The cat. Right, I want you to read a short story with me. Pam and Dan see a cat. It is a big, fat cat. All right. The cat likes to nap. It naps on the bed. Can you see? It naps on the bed. Can you see the cat? And the cat likes to bask in the sun. Look at your picture. The cat likes to bask in the sun. And the cat jumped into the box. Yes, the cat jumped into the box. I hope you enjoyed the short story. I hope you were reading along with me as well. All right, now I want us to identify words with the short vowel sound in the story. Let's identify those words. First word is Pam, Dan, cat, big, fat, nap, bed, sun, and the last word is box. Well done. All right, this is how we identify our words. Well done, grade 2s. Well done. Okay, let's move on. Now I want us to write the following words or following words by looking at the following pictures. So I want you to write the words on your own by looking at the picture. Look at your first picture. Can you write the word of the first picture? Can you write the word of the first picture? Yes, this is a cup. Well done. Yes, it is a cup. What else? This is a bat. Yes, it is a bat. Can you write the next word by looking at the picture? Look at your picture very carefully. Look at your picture. Write the word of this picture. Yes, this is the sun. Yes, this is the picture. All right. Well done, grade 2s. Okay, we still have more pictures. Look at your next picture. Write the word of this picture. What is this? Look at your picture carefully. What is this picture? It is a box. Well done. And then look at your next picture. Write the word of this, okay, the word of this picture. Look at your picture carefully. Well done. And then we have another picture. Write the word of this picture. What is this? What do you think, grade 2s? What is this picture? Yes, it is a pin. All right. Did you all get your words correct? Yes, you did. Well done. Well done. Okay. All right. Now let's summarize what you have learned. Remember, we were singing our song with the short vowel sounds. Let's look at our first vowel. What we did the short vowel. I want you to sing along again.
Short vowel ah. Ah, ah, ah. This is how we say the letter ah, ah, ah. This is how we say it ah, ah, ah. This is how we say the letter ah, ah, ah. Short vowel ah.
Alright, did you enjoy your song? Yes, you did. Alright, let's move on to the next one. You enjoyed the song, grade 2s. Remember, we did the short vowel A. The short vowel A. You still remember the song?
Short vowel A.
Enjoyed the song and you were singing along with me. All right. Were you singing along with me, grade 2s? All right. Okay. That's good. Well done. Okay, let's look at the short vowel E. You
Short vowel E
as well. So remember the song.
I can say, I can say, eh, eh, eh. I can say, I can say. Short vowel E. Pig, pig, pig. Bib, bib, pin, pin. Zip, zip.
All right. Enjoyed the song. Did you enjoy the song, grade 2s? Well done. Well done. All right. Let's move on to the next song.
Short vowel oh. Sing with me, sing with me.
you enjoy the song? Yes, you did. Grade 2s. Give yourselves a clap. All right, let's move on to the next one. Short vowel. Right, let's sing along. Sing with me, grade 2s. Let's sing.
Short vowel. I like to say this letter every day. I like to say short vowel. G. Bug. Bug. Nut. Nut. Sun. Sun. Hot. Hot.
Did you enjoy the song? Did you enjoy your song, grade 2s? Yes, you did. Well done. All right. Okay, now let's look at what you'll be learning in your next lesson. Right. You'll be doing the consonant digraph sh. Right. You'll be learning about the consonant digraph sh. I hope you'll be excited. You are excited in your next lesson to learn the consonant digraph sh. All right. Well done, grade 2s. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and you were singing along with me. I will see you next time in our next lesson. I want you to enjoy your day. You have a lovely day, grade 2s. I will see you next time. Bye.